Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bold text in your Facebook post from your laptop. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the web browser and type in www.facebook.com. After that, you have to provide your login details and log into your Facebook. As soon as you log into your Facebook, you can see the posting option. You have to tap on it and type in whatever you want to post. Then you have to copy it and on the new tab type in yaytext.com. There you can now copy and paste the text you wanted to have it in bold, and below your text option there's bold option. Now you have to copy it and go back to the Facebook. Then you have to paste the copy here, and there you go. Here you have your bold text on your Facebook. And guys, that's how you bold text on your Facebook posts. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.